Hey everyone, good evening. I'm Chief Meteorologist Darrell Whittinger from the Central Oregon Daily Weather Center. First off, happy Friday across the high desert. We are warm, there are thunderstorms, and we are looking at some big changes through this weekend. So here's a quick look at your weekend headlines for this Friday, September the 5th. A big pattern shift is on the way. Thunderstorms are expected. Winds are going to be gusty at times, especially around some of those thunderstorm cells, and we're cooling. A huge cooling trend going from 80s and 90s today into the 60s early next week. Right now, we're still mostly in the 80s and 90s. It is 72 in Sun River, but that's also because of some rain-cooled action. We do have thunderstorms that have developed, and they're pushing from the south to the north right through our Tri-County area. Some of those cells are capable of producing abundant lightning and even dry lightning, so it's something we're continuing to track pretty closely. Now, across Central Oregon, when we look outside, we do see some of those thunderstorms. We also see a little bit of haze, some smoke from fires that continue to burn, and periods of clearing. You can see some of that in the Powell Butte camera. Now, your forecast model shows that here overnight, some clearing is expected. Saturday afternoon, midday and afternoon, some showers and thunderstorms. Sunday, this pattern repeats, just not as widespread. A few isolated storms are expected, and then by Monday, another system rolls in that brings wetter and cooler conditions with, you guessed it, another chance of some thunderstorms. So for tonight, we're talking 50s with a few 40s and 60s out there. Thunderstorms in, showers wrap up, we start to clear out. And by Saturday, back into the 80s with a few 90s and 70s. Here's a quick look at your 7-day planner. We continue to cool each day until we top out in the 60s. So our cooling trend bottoms out Tuesday and Wednesday. After that, more sunshine and a gradual warming trend that's going to bring us a little closer to average for this time of the year. That's the latest in weather. Join us tonight on Central Oregon Daily News. We'll have the latest headlines and your most reliable forecast. We'll see you then.